Hey, this is Sebastian from StormAudio here at ISE 2020. I'd like to talk to you about our ISE 2020 introduction of the MK2 range. We have our new ISP and new PA right now on display at the show. ISP has moved to an important step this year with 24-channel decoding with DTS X Pro, IMAX Enhanced, Dolby Atmos, supporting 13.1.10 layout. It comes together with an upgrade of the Direct Live room calibration with the world premiere integration of the bass control module, which helps bass management of big rooms with 4 subwoofer, linearizing all the response in the room in the best way. Of course, also, as you can see, the product has been renewed, and we are very proud to introduce our new design, a classier design that we hope will make the high-end enthusiastic to love the product also in their room, not only in the technical room. We're very proud of that. Also, again, for the audio enthusiastic, with the MK2 range, we introduced the Roon Ready as also stereo playback for the streaming. So that's one of the very important parts. ISP is still a very modular product, and I'd like to show you how it is right now. So the ISP MK2 keeps the modularity of the former StormAudio ISP range. You have multiple slots, and you can have the processor move from 16 channels up to 24, 32, both analog and digital, and we still have our 30-channel digital out AES EBU and 16-channel input AES EBU. Finally, on HDMI side, we are still on the top with HDMI 2.0, HDCP 2.2 for all inputs, all outputs. In this year, we are introducing our OSD new feature, on-screen display that you can activate or not. And by the end of the year, you will have the activation of the matrix function, which allows you to have a real 7 inputs, 2 outputs that you route the way you want. So that's ISE 2020. We're very proud of this new introduction. Please pass by to our booth. We are in 5V85. I wish you a good show and see you soon. Bye. The website is www.stormaudio.com. Thank you very much.